Big up all massive man scene and all crew. Just know say Jonah Reid and the One Blood family I represent for the Gideon sound scene. So David Gideon, big up your chest and stay so. Holy Emmanuel I, Selassie I. Rastafari, bless up, you know. Blessed are those that spread the works, you know. Hear this. Gideon sound boy just come from country. Don't try to test my sound. No, no. Say this a Gideon sound. Stand your horn. You could have come from Reima or you come from jungle. Could have come from Firehouse or you come from Tower. One sound that a Gideon sound. Hear me now. You could have come from Libya or you come from America. Could have come from Europe, you come from Africa. No sound like the Gideon sound. Hear me now. You could have come from London or you come from Birmingham. Could have come from Brooklyn or you come from Boston. No sound like the Gideon sound. Hey mate, why? I want you to get me straight. Gideon is great, why? I might, why? Gideon sound is great, blood. Hey gov, a Gideon sound, massive them low, blow. Hey bloke, Gideon no joke. You could have come from London or you come from Birmingham. Could have come from Brooklyn or you come from Una sangre. You could have come from Haiti, could have come from Miami, could have come from Italy, could have come from Germany. Una sangre. Campanera, Kira can say I'm sincere. Why stand your high? Campanera, why? Kira can say I'm sincere. Stand your hing, why? Could have come from Reima or you come from jungle. Could have come from Firehouse, you come from Tower Hill. No sound like the Gideon sound. Stick it in going and yanking going. Stick it in going and yanking going. No sound like the Gideon sound.